Hello guys, in this video we are going to check out the Manychat app. So for installing, first of all go to the agency level and then go to the level of marketplace and there search Manychat and then install it. So if you want to install on all the locations then install it on the agency level. Otherwise you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case we are going to install it on all the locations. So here I click on this and then proceed. So here wait a few seconds, the app is installing on all the locations. After there will be a message that app is successfully installed like this. So after this go to the location level and then go to this custom page and then search your app at Manychat and configure it. So now you need a API key. For it you need to have a Manychat account. So you can get your Manychat API from like this is a documentation how you will get your API key. So this will be provided in the docs. So here you can create your API key through this like this, and then after it when you create it and then paste it after. So after this you can use this app and the automation in the workflow builders.